Vaginal bleeding. Introduction. Hormones control the cycle of ovulation and menstruation. Select true or false. Correct. Estrogen and progesterone are only two of the many hormones that control the menstrual cycle. When is vaginal bleeding considered abnormal? Choose one of the following options. 1. When bleeding or spotting happens between periods. 2. When bleeding happens after menopause. 3. When bleeding lasts for several weeks. 4. All of the above. Correct. There are many times when vaginal bleeding is considered abnormal. Abnormal vaginal bleeding may be caused by which of the following? Choose one of the following options. 1. Uterine fibroids or polyps. 2. Hormone problems. 3. Certain types of cancer. 4. All of the above. Correct. There are many possible causes of vaginal bleeding. Laparoscopy is the only sure way to diagnose the cause of abnormal vaginal bleeding. Select true or false. Correct. A laparoscopy is usually done only if other tests are unsuccessful. The treatment for abnormal vaginal bleeding depends on which of the following. Choose one of the following options. 1. What is causing the bleeding? 2. A woman's age. 3. Whether a woman wants to have children. 4. All of the above. Correct. Choosing a treatment for vaginal bleeding depends on what is causing the bleeding. It also depends on a woman's age and whether or not she wants to have children. Most women with abnormal vaginal bleeding can be treated with hormone medications. Select true or false. Correct.
Thank you for using Explain.